Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. मैं हूँ अनुप्रिया कपूर and I'm making a video after a really long time, but I had to as recently I visited a country जो मैंने कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था मैं visit करूँगी. Yes, I recently visited Saudi Arabia and it turned out to be a total surprise. For me, Saudi is all about my time that I spent in a desert called Alula. It's mysterious, it's whimsical, with stunning landscapes and topography, and it has so much history that it opened my eyes to a whole different world. First things first, some facts about Saudi Arabia. Saudi opened for tourism very recently in 2019. Women do not need to wear a hijab or abaya. Being modestly dressed is enough. Given the weather, wearing pure cotton clothes is something I would recommend. It's primarily a non-vegetarian place, but you will still get enough and more vegetarian option. It's a dry country as of now. Now coming to the itinerary. Now I went for 1 week where I spent 2 days in Jeddah, 3 days in Alula and 1 day in Riyadh. But let me share the itinerary with you the way I would have liked to explore it. I would recommend that you take the Saudia airline to Jeddah on day 1 because tickets are a little cheaper there. Have a good hearty lunch, take some rest, and in the evening go to the old town of Al Balad. It's the historic town of Jeddah and also UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can visit and tour 400-year-old houses, eat great street food, shop for gold, dates, loban, etc. and soak in the old world vibes. Next day, take the flight to Alula and be prepared to have your mind blown. Alula is an ancient Arabian oasis city located in the Medina province. Alula was a market city on the historic incense and spice route that linked India and the Persian Gulf and Europe. Once you settle in, you can visit Hegra during the day and take the evening bike tour too. Hegra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is an archaeological site which dates back to 2,200 years and is the second largest city of Nevian civilization after Petra, Jordan. The remains and tombs will leave you stunned. Evening bike tour has its own charm. The next day you can join the adventurous activities at the Adventure Club Alula. They have multiple options, but the most adventurous was the giant swing.
It's the craziest shit I've signed up for.
It's a bit challenging to get to the top, but super fun as you get to see the stunning landscape from such a height. Post that, you can take a tour of palm date plantations and understand how oasis functions. Then you can visit the archaeological site of the Dadan civilization and see ear-roll inscriptions and also learn how to carve in Lihanite language. Post that, you can soak in the vibe of the old town. On day 3 in Alula, I would suggest, just relax, soak in the property, and then visit Maraya and Elephant Rock. Now, Maraya is the world's tallest mirrored structure. It's stunning, it's beautiful, and it mirrors the actual landscape of the desert. It's an architectural wonder and a must visit. And post that, you should go to the Elephant Rock. As the name suggests, Elephant Rocks looks like an elephant, but it's a natural sandstone formation. You can spend hours sitting there, especially during the sunset when the weather is also great. Aise to Alula has a lot more to offer depending on your budget. Like you can actually do a helicopter tour of the place. You can even take hot air balloon ride. Also, there are a lot of musical festivals which start from September onwards, and the best time to visit the country would be between October to February. As far as visa is concerned, if you have Schengen or US visa, then you can easily apply for the e-visa. Otherwise, you will have to go and physically apply for the visa, and I'm leaving the link in the description. Their official website, Experience Alula, has a lot of information and you can actually plan your trip using that website itself. Otherwise, I'm also sharing a couple of tour operator options which have been recommended by the tourism board in the description. I hope you found this video helpful and it encourages you to look up the history of Alula and visit Saudi Arabia. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I would be happy to answer.